We are on Carnival Firenze and we are checking out a Terrazza Premium Vista View Balcony. It is 8484. Let's take a look. Hey Rocky.
Hey.
We are here on the naming ceremony and there are several rooms that are open for touring. Wow. First and foremost, look at the room in this stateroom. I'm just gonna walk on over here. Beyond this huge bed, we've already got some terrazza towels that are out here on this marble table. So this table for you to eat at or to set your drinks on, multiple levels. You've got your tables by the bed for storage, as well as, Rocky, do you see what's there?
I do. 2 USB ports.
And power for the lights.
Switch.
I love that. We love that feature. Plus, gorgeous decor in this stateroom. I will say, what's interesting, okay, that wasn't what I was going to mention, but wow, I'm coming over here right now. Wave to everyone, Rocky. Look at this mini bar setup, or refrigerator and hairdryer and little table makeup station. Tons of outlets, three more outlets, sorry. We've got two 120s, one 220, and a USB, a couple USB. Additionally, you've just got all of these shelves for storage. And Rocky, I think you already opened this, but there's a refrigerator there.
Oh.
The TV, I don't know if you heard it in the video, but I backed up into it already. There's not a ton of clearance between this TV and the bed. It's a huge room, but I have to turn like this to get through. Now, ample storage space for my bathrobes and several drawers and of course room safe, and we will appreciate the life jackets. I am hoping there is more closet space in this stateroom, because if that's there's got to be.
It's not. Instead, you have a washroom on the left.
There's got to be. Look at storage, a hook on the wall, but don't you worry if you haven't already. Oh, let's turn. Why is it so warm in this stateroom? It was cranked all the way to the top, y'all. We were cranking that down. Let's go into this bathroom. Oh, and it is a Venice class bathroom. Look at how gorgeous this is with the marble touches. You've got your ceiling all the way to the floor, glass shower door, your standard issue Carnival toilet, as well as some of the amenities in here. But it is a nice bathroom. I'm just gonna walk on in, walk on up. You've got the single soap dispenser for shampoo, body wash, conditioner. In a stateroom like this, I would have expected something a bit more, but Rocky's taking us out to really what makes this stateroom so special. Rocky, take it away.
This is the balcony. And the balcony is a wraparound, so you're not just getting one direction of views, which is wonderful. You can see down the side of the ship. In this case, it's the port side, and you can also see aft. There's ample amount of furniture available back here, a beautiful full moon showing this space off. And you look down onto the Terrazza Moda space, which is brand new to the Carnival Firenze, with the beautiful views of the Long Beach port area.
So I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but there is a little bit of chatter from the Moda area down below. So it's not fully private, as folks can look up and see us here on the balcony and we can hear their chatter. In the stateroom, it was perfectly quiet. So Rocky, there are two lounge chairs,
2 loungers,
2 seating areas, and a little table.
Yep.
And you were right. You were not wrong about the fact that there was literally just this single closet. In a stateroom this size, with this many amenities, I'm really surprised. We've got a couple more hooks, but I'm really surprised. I've got one area to hang, 3 drawers.
Is all shelving.
Why? Oh, I guess it's bathroom access?
That's correct.
Why wouldn't I have added another area there to hang or drawers or something? That's weird to me. Great space. Love
Beautiful.
how much space there is. And I really, as I mentioned this already, I love this area over. Oh, I got to turn sideways. I love this area over here. Great space. It's 8484 here on Carnival Firenze. It is a wraparound balcony. You are booking this room for that balcony. Would you agree?
Absolutely.
Cheers. Hope you enjoyed this tour.
Thank you.